Hey guys, welcome to another Leetcode question 347 top k frequent elements. Let's look at question first. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, return the k most frequent elements. You may return the answer in any order. And we got two examples here. The first one, nums equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. And 1 occurs 3 times in this array. And 2 occur 2 times, 3 only occur once. So when k is 2, that means we need to return 2 most frequent elements in this array. So we return 1 and 2. In the second example, we just have 1 element here, and we just need to return 1 most frequent element here. So we just have 1 to return. Okay, for this question, we can solve with bucket sort. And first, what we can do is save all the elements into the map according to their frequency. And then we have a vector which is over bucket. For example, here, the total number is there's 6 numbers in this array, so we can make our bucket size as 6. This is the first one, second one, third one, so on and so forth. And then we save. So this is the frequency of each element. So we just need to save. For example, 1 occurs 3 times. That means 1 should be saved under index 3. And over 2 occur twice. That means 2 should save on index 2. And 3 just occur once, so we save it at index 1. And for the other index, we just ignore it. And remember, index 0, there are no elements saved under index 0 because if this element doesn't even occur in the array, we just don't need to save it. So let's get started. We first need a map. Integer for key, integer for value, and we go over the vector. So we save all the elements according to their frequency into our map. And then what we need is a new vector. The size should be the total number of sides, and also into +1. Because in this array, the total number is 6. In very urgent case, for example, 1 may occur 6 times in this array. So we need index 6. That's why we need to +1. And then we have our new vector. After we have an empty bucket, what we need to do next is put the elements into my bucket according to their frequency index. So we need a iter equal to iter plus plus. Okay, and then we have iter arrow first. This is our value of elements, and iter second is the frequency. So after we save all elements according to their frequency, what we need to do is find a return the new array. Actually, we need to iterate the bucket from the back of the bucket because it requires us to return the k most frequent elements. That means we first need, for example, we need to check if there are any elements occur 6 times in the array. If no, we jump to the other one. If there are any elements occur 5 times, if no, we so on and so forth. In the first example, when we jump to frequency 3 times, that means we can start to push the element 1 into our new vector. And then we push element 2, and then we stop because we just need to return 2 most frequent elements. So we start from the end of bucket. It should be the size -1. And we just iterate from the end to index 1. So we need to make it greater than 0. And I minus minus. At the same time, we need to check if the elements on the specific frequency, how many elements under the specific frequency, then we need to push all these elements into our vector. So we start from 0, and then we should less our bucket column size. So we push all these elements under this specific frequency into our vector. And our base case, if k equal to 0, that means we end this loop. And then we have our vector can be written. Okay, let's try the second cases. Okay, so let's analyze the running time now. The overall space complexity is O(n) because we need to save the element according to their frequency into our map, and also we save it in our bucket. And the time complexity in the worst case can be O(n) squared. If all the elements occur same frequency, that's the worst case. But in the general case, we can do O(n). Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.